There are over 500 million pet cats. Cats sleep for around 13 to 16 hours a day, 70% of their life. 1 year of a cat's life equals to 15 years of a human's life. One of the largest domestic cat breeds is a Maine Coon. Chickens have a profound memory and are able to distinguish between more than 100 faces of their species. Pit bull is a term used in the United States to describe a breed of dog descended from bulldogs and terriers, whereas in other countries such as the United Kingdom, the term is used as an abbreviation for the American Pit Bull Terrier breed. Horses do not have teeth in the middle of their mouth. Crocodiles really do produce tears. They can't chew food. They are the largest reptiles on Earth. Chickens love to play, run, skip and flap their wings. Hens teach sounds to their chicks while they are still in the egg. Chickens have a profound memory and are able to distinguish between more than 100 faces of their species. Cats can jump up to 6 times their height. They have a total of 18 toes. There are over 500 million pet cats. Horses do not have teeth in the middle of their mouth.